Hey brother, Charlie McKeever here from Happy Man Coaching. And in this video, I want to talk to you about feeling shame, This is an interesting phenomenon. And first of all, we need to talk about what shame is like. Anytime that we're having fear, shame, anxiety, hard feelings, right? We're just up in our head and we're having these hard feelings about whatever it is that we're thinking about. And we're feeling not enough, right? We're feeling unsettled, uncertain, unsure. We're feeling unsafe. This is when we are our most vulnerable. This is when we are basically in a mode of survival, when we are reactive to the way that we're feeling. And a lot of times we can get so wrapped up in that we just want it to go away. And it feels like winged monkeys have flown in, like those winged monkeys from the Wizard of Oz, except for these winged monkeys have brass knuckles and lead pipes, and they are just beating the crap out of us. We are just down on the ground in a fetal position, just being pummeled. And what we learn through men's work, through coaching, is we learn to shoo those monkeys away. We learn to make those things go away. We learn that those winged monkeys aren't real, that there are thoughts, that we are actually experiencing the feelings about our thoughts, and that we are actually in control of that. We're not powerless. But when we have those feelings, and we've been doing the men's work for a period of time, and we know about shame and fear, and we know about our feelings being driven by our thoughts, and we know better about how to manage that, how to get ourselves back to a calm, confident, grounded place. Whenever we do experience those moments of shame and fear and scarcity and anxiety and all of those things that are just human feelings, part of a human experience, we can actually experience shame about feeling those things. So we kind of experience this echo effect, this shame spiral, right? We have shame about feeling shame. And that means that a second wave of monkeys comes flying in with lead pipes and brass knuckles and beats the crap out of us, right? So the first wave comes in, we go, oh, you know what, hold on. And we wave those guys away and they dissipate, but then another wave comes in that beats us up about beating ourselves up. We say, oh, you know what, I should have known better. You know what, I did all this work and I've improved my romantic relationship, but now that I'm selling my house and I'm attached to an outcome and I really want this to go well, I find myself anxious, I find myself nervous, I find myself feeling unsure and unsafe, and I'm reacting to those thoughts and having those feelings, and that's affecting the way that I'm showing up. I'm buying a car, I'm having a child, someone is sick in my family, I'm booking a trip to go travel, and the airline application is frustrating. There's just a number of contexts that we can experience in life that throws us into these thoughts. We want it to go a certain way. We want it to go our way. We want it to be smooth. We want it to be effortless. We think that it should go faster or better or with less friction. And we wind up getting upset. We wind up getting up in our head. We wind up reacting to the feelings that are caused by the thoughts that we're having. And then when we realize that, we go, oh, I'm not supposed to I'm supposed to be all calm and confident. I'm supposed to be, And then the second wave of monkeys comes in and starts to beat us up. But we can shoo them away too, right? We can keep shooing monkeys away for as long as we need to shoo them away, to remind ourselves that it's okay, that these experiences that we're having are actually learning experiences. They're opportunities. Instead of being beaten down by it, instead of being disheartened, instead of being overwhelmed by it, we can actually begin to see these as opportunities and get real curious about what's going on. Oh, what am I telling myself? Why do I feel this way? What is it about this that's making me so anxious or frustrated or impatient? Why do I feel that way? What am I telling myself? Am I telling myself it's supposed to go a different way and it's not? And this is what's frustrating me. This is what's bothering me. So that's the kind of work that we do. That's the kind of work that we do with men. That's the work that I do with men. When I work with men, I help them understand that their feelings are driven by their thoughts. I help them understand themselves at a deeper level so that they understand what is bothering them, what they're thinking, what is affecting their mood, what is affecting their feelings of safety and security and calm and confidence and groundedness. And I also help them understand how those feelings affects their relationship with their wife, with their children, with their coworkers, with their friends, with their extended family, with the checkout cashier at the grocery store. So if you'd like to know more about that, I'd love to have a conversation with you. I'd love to talk with you more about this. I've been where you are right now, and I've come out the other side, and I can tell you that it's okay, that there's moments you don't have to be perfect, that you don't have to get it all right all the time, but that you'll be able to manage these moments a whole lot better. You'll be able to come out the other side comfortable, confident, grounded, and safe to be around for your family and friends. All right, brother, contact me, happymancoaching.com. You can find more information there. You can hit that button, contact me. We can set up a phone call and have a conversation about what's affecting you right now. All right, talk to you later, brother. Love you. Bye.